Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding, attractive and most amazing collection of crochet women earring designs. Different color, different design, different ideas in front of you. One by one. I hope you like this collection. Most attractive and most creative collection you can see in front of you. If you want to buy this amazing collection, then you can contact me on my number and my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designers as you can order and get amazing crochet material like this crochet woman earring designs and others like crochet woman necklace designs, bracelet designs and feet jewelry like crochet woman anklet design, baby anklet designs also. Other material like crochet women outfit ideas, crochet women blouse design, cardigan design, crochet women skirt design, long dresses, short dresses, full sleeve, half sleeve, sleeveless dresses also, crochet women poncho design, caplet design, cap shawl, circular jacket design, flowering poncho design, crochet baby material like crochet baby frock design, romper design, crochet baby cap design, crochet baby sandal designs, boot designs also. So dear friends, try this collection. Always try to bring useful videos, useful content for you. So don't forget to like my videos, don't forget to share my videos with your friends and relatives, and also gives your feedback in the hammer section about the collection. So dear friends, now goodbye till the next video.